In latest moon race, India lands first in southern polar region. What to know about India's next chapter in space? India successfully lands spacecraft on moon's surface. Indian officials have been advocating in favor of a multipolar world order in which New Delhi is seen as indispensable to global solutions. In space exploration, as in many other fields, the message of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has been clear. The world will be a fairer place if India takes on a leadership role, even as the world's most populous nation works to meet its people's basic needs. Chandrayaan-3's triumph mirrors the aspirations and capabilities of 1.4 billion Indians, Mr. Modi said when the landing was complete, declaring the event as the moment for new, developing India. And with the success of Chandrayaan-3, Mr. Modi can reap benefits in leaning into India's scientific prowess to more confidently assert Indian national interest on the world stage, said Bharat Karnat, an emeritus professor of national security studies at the Center for Policy Research in New Delhi. Chandrayaan-3 is a scientific mission, timed for a 2-week period when the sun will shine on the landing site and provide energy for the solar-powered lander and rover. Credit: Indian Space Research Organization. When pressed by reporters about the cost of Chandrayaan-3, Mr. Somanath deflected with laughter. "I won't disclose such secrets. We don't want everyone else to become so cost-effective. If such water can be found in sufficient quantities and extracted, astronauts could use it for future space exploration. On the moon's south pole, a quest for ice. You won't have to wait long for the next moon mission." Reporting from near Mission Control in Bengaluru. Speaking to reporters gathered outside Mission Control, the chairman of ISRO, S. Somanath, told us that the lander's rover, named Pragyan, would be rolled out in a matter of hours or, maybe, tomorrow. Behind India's space agency, a private space sector is ready to lift off. Here is what's next for India in space exploration. S. Somanath, the director of Indian Space Research Organization, has described the current moment as an inflection point, as the country opens its space programs to private investors after half a century of state monopoly that made advances but at a shoestring budget mode of working. The moon may be the easiest place in the solar system to land, or crash. In 2019, Mr. Modi was at the control room to console the emotional scientists after Chandrayaan-2 failed, hugging the weeping chief of that mission. Chandrayaan-3 is aiming to land in the moon's south polar region. The Chandrayaan-2 moon lander crashed in 2019, but its orbiter has produced 4 years of science. Why India's last moon lander crashed? After shifting on August 15 into a lunar orbit as low as 95 miles from the surface, the mission prepared for a crucial step: separation from the propulsion module that had helped it get there. For now, India has 3 spacecraft orbiting the moon: Chandrayaan-2, Chandrayaan-3's landing module and the propulsion module, which is expected to stay in orbit for months or years, using sensors on board to aid scientific research on Earth. India's space ambition mirrors the country's rise as a geopolitical power. The latest on India's successful moon landing.